everyone, I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my thoughts about this body lotion that I've been trying for a few days now. It's the Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair Lotion. So the product claims to heal dry skin without feeling greasy. One bottle is 600 milliliter. I usually buy this online, but you can get this easily in any drugstore. So looking at the ingredients list, they don't really have any major ingredients that is used as the highlight for the lotion. So this is just a basic moisturizer for your body. The lotion is lightly scented, so it's not so strong, but it does have fragrance. The lotion doesn't contain alcohol, but there's fragrance inside. The texture looks like this. So the lotion is not so creamy, but it's not watery also. When applied to my skin, it absorbs quickly. Usually one layer is enough to moisturize my skin, but when my skin is drier than usual, I like to layer it 1 or 2 times until I'm satisfied. Overall, I really like the lotion because the fragrance is not so strong and the consistency is somewhere in the middle between creamy and watery, so it's just nice for everyday use. This is how my skin looks after I apply the lotion. So it's not overly oily, and after a while you can feel that your skin is smoother than before applying the lotion. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.